So I want to thank everyone for subscribing. I finally hit my 1,000 subscribers, and I said that I'll do an unboxing video. So basically, the TAC-SF comes in a cardboard box, basically the same size as this right here in front of you, and this is how it comes. Now this has a handle on the top and it has wheels on the bottom, so you could actually roll it. It also has a side handle as well, as you can see in front of you. Now let's take a look at it. All right, so the contents that comes included with this is the O-rings and some tools and your user manual. So a whole bunch of stuff in here. You also get a gravity hopper that can hold 180 projectiles, round projectiles. It also includes a 2-point sling, so you would connect these hooks, and I'll show you that on the launcher. And it has a bungee system on it, and it has quick detach. Now the launcher comes with a 30 cubic inch tank, and it is empty when you receive it. I actually took mine off by removing this screw, taking these clamps off, and going to a local paintball shop and filling it up for $5. Now you do have a on and off switch here, which is like a GOG switch, and when you remove the screw and you take this off, the tank can move like a swivel. It can move left or it can move right to make it easy to remove the tank. Now right here is where you'll connect your sling. So this is 1 point, and then right here is 2 points. So as you see, it doesn't have the select firing feature. This one is just a safety switch, and it's mechanical, semi-automatic. Now what you would have to do is basically turn on the air valve on the GOG, and you would hear the air go in, and then you will cock it back, and then you'll take the safety off, and then you can use it. It does have a adjustable stock. It has fixed sights, and right here you could actually open the door and slide this over, and you can see that when you cock it back, to close this door, you just basically slide it over, and it will basically just lock itself. So this is where you'll put the hopper. So to install the hopper, loosen up this, put the hopper on, and tighten up the screw, and it's that simple. Now you can shoot 180 projectiles with this hopper and this tank. So I'm going to show you So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how it sounds when you turn on the GOG and cock it back, and you could really hear it. So I'm gonna turn it on, right? And I'm gonna cock it back, and you could just fire. Turn off the GOG, and then pull the trigger one more time, and then put the safety on. So this is compatible with the split shot, and the split shot is right here. So basically when you fire a projectile, that blade right there will slice it and split it in half and create a plume of pava. And this right here is compatible with the TCP and the VKS. I'm gonna show you how to attach it. There's buttons on the side, and it just basically goes right on the tip of the barrel. So you push it, and there's a wall right here that goes in. See it? That's how it connects to the tip of the barrel. And you slide it on, and it locks into place. There's various reasons why you could use a split shot, and I'm going to do a separate video on that. And to fill up the hopper, it would take 2 of the 90 counts. So you could use the 90 count SDs or the 90 count Live X projectiles. These are the Live X projectiles. So you would need 2 of these, which will equal 180, to fill up that hopper. So if you're a lefty, this is come set for a righty. And what you would do is, if you want to use the sling, you would remove this right here, and you would turn it facing this way. So that way you could connect the sling, and that way you could have it on you as a lefty user. I'm a lefty, so you'll see the video, what I'm talking about, once I come out with the video, me holding it with the sling. I'm gonna attach the sling so you can see for yourself. And it's a good quality sling. And the hooks on it is strong. It's very simple to put on. You just slide it on and it'll clip right in. And this is what I mean by quick detach or quick disconnect. You just take it off and it stays on there. And when you want to connect it back, you just put it back on like that. So this is a high quality sling, and the launcher feels premium, like it's built well.